Welcome to EDU World Space.
All right, we have three parts to this question, all of which deal with density. And we know that the formula for density equals mass over volume. So we have to find the mass and volume for each substance. So for A, they tell us we have a cube that is 1.500 centimeters on each side. So in order to find the volume of a cube, we know that that is the side cubed. So we're going to take the 1.500 centimeters and cube that to get our volume, which is 3.375 centimeters cubed. They also give us the mass, so now we can solve for density with our 76.31 grams divided by the 3.375 centimeters cubed, which gives us a density of 22.61 grams per centimeter cubed. All right, so that's our answer for A. For B, they give us the density and they want us to find the mass. So we're going to use that same equation, density equals mass divided by volume. And the density is given in grams per centimeter cubed and the volume is in milliliters, but we know that 1 centimeter cubed is the same as 1 milliliter. So we can put in the density. So we put in the 4.51 grams per centimeter cubed. We're going to solve for mass, and 125 milliliters is the same as centimeters cubed. We can cross multiply and solve for our mass, which is 563.75, and if we're rounding for significant digits, that would give us 564 grams. Notice that our centimeters cubed are going to cancel, and we're just left with the unit of grams. For part C, again, they give us the density, 0.8787 grams per milliliter. And the volume they give us as 0.1500 liters. I want my units to match, so I'm going to change those liters into milliliters. And we know there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter, which will give us 150 milliliters for our volume. So now when we are substituting into our density formula, density equals mass over volume. So we're going to put our density, 0.8787 grams per milliliter, and our mass over the 150 milliliters. Again, we're going to cross multiply, and that gives us 131.805, or if we're rounding for significant digits, I want 4 significant digits, 131.8 grams. Again, we're going to make sure our units cancel. Here we have milliliters. And it was 4 significant digits because each of those numbers in our equation had 4 significant digits.